Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another cooking video with your one and only Cloudy Cooks in the kitchen. Today we are making a Jamaican breakfast, ackee saltfish and fried dumpling. And I'm just going to throw in a few other sides to it as well to make it balanced. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Let's prep our dumpling. In this bowl, I've got 2 cups of self-raising flour. So we don't need to use any baking powder in that. And we're going to use minimal salt because it already got salt in it. We're just going to put an extra pinch. And I don't normally put sugar in my dumpling, but I've made it quite a few times and actually like it. So I've decided to make one for the channel. So in with a teaspoon of sugar. And the same, I don't like to use butter in my dumpling, but again, I've made it with it and I've actually quite like it. So in with 2 tablespoons of cube butter. And we're just going to mix it out here, rub it in like we're making a crumble, you know, just to get it all nice and mixed in. And once it's all fully mixed in and a bit crumbling, then we're going to start adding our water. This is what it's looking like now, and it's time to add our water. We're going to mix that all together and form it into a nice ball. I've also got a fried dumpling recipe on my channel, so you can check that one out as well. For the 2 cups of flour, I used just under 1/4 pint of water, and this is the consistency we're looking for. And we're going to cover that and let that rest for about anything from 15 minutes up to half an hour. Okay, now we're boiling the saltfish just to remove some of the excess salt. And once that's boiled, we will empty the water, rinse it, and flake it up for cooking. Saltfish is flaked and ready to cook. Right, our dumpling has been resting for about half an hour. And as you can see, it's quite sticky and pliable. Look at that. You can see it's really nice and pliable. So I'm just going to give that a really quick knead for about a minute or so, and then we will start making the dumplings. Okay, that's the dough. I'm just going to show you how I made the first one, and then I'll just make the others off camera. So I'm just going to give it a little roll like this, and you can see the size. You can make them even bigger, but we're just going to go with this size for now. I'm just putting the dough in between the center of my hands, and then I'm just rolling it like this. We're going to get a little shape like this, and we just press them out like so. Right, we're going to let these rest whilst the oil is heating up. I'm going to fry my dumpling with some coconut oil and vegetable oil. I love the flavor that this gives. So in with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're going in with some vegetable oil now. Just going to gently heat that on medium high, and then once I get the right temperature, then we're going to reduce it to medium low. In this pan, we've got some olive oil and we've got some coconut oil, and we're just going to fry off some aromats for the ackee and saltfish. I thought I was recording, but I added some onion. I've got a small sliced onion and some mixed bell peppers, and we're just going to saute these off for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding the other aromats to the pan. Let's check our oil to see how hot it is. I'm just going to drop a little piece of the dough in here and see. Yes, can you see all those little bubbles around there? Meaning we're ready to get our dumplings in. We're going to fry our dumplings for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and golden and fluffy on the inside. Now we're going in with the scotch bonnet tomatoes, thyme, spring onion and garlic. Quick stir fry for about a couple of minutes before we go in with our saltfish, followed by the ackee and some seasoning. Now for our saltfish, I'll give that a little mix to coat our fish. All the wonderful flavors that we have in this pot. Building our flavors nice and slowly. Just gonna let that cook off for about a minute or so. I've got 2 all-purpose seasoning, but I'm going to be using this one instead of this one that I showed in the video. Salt, black pepper, going in with some extra garlic granules and some onion granules. And now for a dash of Maggi, liquid Maggi. Optional, mixy. And in with our ackee. Lid on for about 2 to 3 minutes. Our ackee and saltfish is done and it's seasoned perfectly. Our dumplings are all done. And there you have it, guys, my breakfast plate. Ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, fried plantain, some stir-fried callaloo and cabbage, and on the side, some avocado. Those are just extras thrown in. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video for some more exciting Caribbean recipes. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Woo-hoo!
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.